All right, welcome to Unit 10, Part 8, where we're going to talk about how to write the equation of a circle. The equation of a circle in standard form, where the center is h comma k, and the radius is r, is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. The standard form of the equation of a circle is also called the center radius form. So, if it says to write the equation of a circle with center negative 3, and radius 6. So this is your h and k, and this is your r. So you have x minus 3 squared plus y minus a negative means it's positive, so plus 3 squared equals 6 squared, which is 36. So for 73, once again, this is your h and k. So it's x minus 2 squared plus y plus 4 squared. Since it's negative, it makes it equals 4 squared, which is 16. All right, so here it says to write the equation of the circle. Well, the center is 0, 3. So your h is 0 and your k is 3. And the radius, well, if it goes from 0, 3 to 0, 6, that means it's 3. So it's x minus 0 squared, which would just be x squared, but we'll simplify it later, plus y minus 3 squared equals 3 squared. So x minus 0 squared is just x squared, plus y minus 3 squared equals 9. Here, the radius is 1, 3. Or sorry, the center is 1, 3. So your h is 1, your k is 3, and the r is 2. So you have x minus 1 squared plus y minus 3 squared equals 2 squared, which is 4. All right, here it says write the equation of the circle that has its center at negative 3, negative 2, and passes through 1, negative 2. So that means basically if you drew it, negative 3, negative 2 would be here, and 1 point on the circle would be here. Or sorry, 1, negative 2, so I gotta go to the other side. So that means the radius would be 4. So the equation is x plus 3 squared, because minus a minus is a plus y plus 2 squared equals 16. Same thing here. Here's your h and k. Now the r would be 4 as well, because from negative 1 to 3 is 4. So you're going to go x plus 1 squared plus y squared, because y minus 0 is just y squared, equals 16. Find the point of intersections between x squared plus y squared equals 16 and y equals negative x. So to find the point of intersections, you take negative x and substitute it in for y. So it's x squared plus negative x squared equals 16. Well, negative x squared is just x squared. So you have 2x squared equals 16. Divide by 2. So x squared equals 8. So when you take the square root, remember when you go from x squared to x, it's plus or minus. So x is going to equal plus or minus 2 rad 2 when you simplify. So if x is positive 2 rad 2, then y is equal to negative x. So y would be negative 2 rad 2. And if x is negative 2 rad 2, then y would be positive 2 rad 2. Same thing for 79. So you're going to take this x plus 8 and substitute in for y. So you get x squared plus x plus 8 squared equals 32. Except here you got a FOIL, meaning you got to multiply x plus 8 times itself. So you get x squared plus 16x plus 64 equals 32. So you get 2x squared plus 16x, and then subtracting the 32 gives you plus 32 equals 0. When you divide everything by 2, you get x squared plus 8x plus 16 equals 0. When you factor, the factors of 16 that add to 8 are 4 and 4. So that's basically the same as saying x plus 4 squared equals 0. So x plus 4 equals 0. So x equals negative 4. So if x equals negative 4 and y equals x plus 8, then it's equal to negative 4 plus 8, which is positive 4. So the point of intersection is negative 4, 4. Alright, so that concludes our video for part 8. Unit 11 coming up soon.